Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to convert from a FAT32 drive to an NTFS drive format on your Windows computer. So it should be a fairly straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the Start menu. On Windows 10 computers, you want to type in this PC. Windows 7 and Windows 8 users should type in computer. Best match, you just want to left click on it here. Underneath devices and drives, you want to locate your drive here that you're experiencing an issue with, or you want to convert to an NTFS. So I'm going to right click on it, left click on format. Keep in mind this will erase any data or information stored on the drive, so I would highly recommend backing up anything before proceeding. So again, underneath file system, you want to click inside this drop down menu and then select NTFS default. So once you've confirmed that, you want to go underneath format options, make sure quick format is checkmarked. Left click on start. Again, you're going to get a prompt saying the formatting will erase all data on this disk. To format the disk, click OK. Left click on OK. Format complete. Left click on OK again. Now, hopefully that should have resolved the issue, and if you even were having an issue before, and now we are using NTFS file system type here, so you can see it going underneath format. File system is set to NTFS. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.